I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example Form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Search and select the action SureMembers. Connect to SureMembers. SureMembers connected successfully. Next, choose a task. Map the respective field. Under the action, choose a group. Here is the advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Under the Bid Apps Access group, click on the Users. Here you can see that a user successfully added on the SureMembers Access group. Thanks for watching.